Okay, we should probably insert some like splashy sounds here or something like that.
Yeah, so people actually know we're at the cottage.
Exactly. Now, we've got the cicadas, but I don't think I want to take my fuzzy microphone down to the water.
Yeah, no. Okay, so let's
You can do that with audio, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, awesome. Post-production.
Right. Splash, 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 splash,
Splash,
splash.
splash.
Okay, it's recording.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Here we go.
Oh, the turtle.
Yep, here she goes.
Oh,
And
God,
then...
there's a fish.
Oh,
my God.
that's okay.
I
You got to do it. And hey! Yeah. She's in. Okay, I'm stopping it.
Yeah, we can just put it on the shelf there. Hello, this is Jennifer Johannesson.
And Emily Nicholas Angle.
And we're back. Here we are deep in the summer of 2025. It's been well over a year since we've released an episode of Matters of Engagement. We've been hard at work with a number of projects, together and on our own. So, yeah, life happens, and we're ready to just fire this all back up again. I guess we can call it our reboot.
So, moving forward, we're going to have 3 different streams of content. One of them will be research collaborations. And those are podcast episodes that support knowledge translation for health-related research projects, which are typically in the engagement space. And actually, we already have 3 collaborations we're really excited to share.
And the second stream will be a replay series. We're going to pick some of the episodes out of the archives that we think are either really important to reshare or because our thinking has evolved. We're actually going to start our overall reboot by issuing some replays in the coming weeks.
And then what we're excited about is video. So we'll be meeting on a regular basis to record together in person. And we'll be releasing them on our YouTube channel. We'll also be converting those to audio for our podcast listeners.
And that's really where we're returning to our roots, which is in the critical thinking space. We will be keeping our attention on patient and public engagement in healthcare, and also expand our scope to think about issues, big and little, that impact Canadians' ability to improve their health and access good healthcare.
I'm really looking forward to all this. We get to partner with some interesting projects, reflect on some of the episodes we think should have more attention, and, loosen the reins a bit by producing essentially our own little talk show.
So keep an eye out for new episodes on our podcast feed, and come find us on YouTube. We'll start releasing video episodes this fall. Be sure to follow us on your favorite social media platform for all the latest updates. I'm really worried about these cicadas, but okay.
Maybe we should say one thing at
Yeah,
the beginning.
let's do
Emily
that.
and we're together at the cottage.
Yeah. We should do like a splash sound.